Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully. As you can tell, we are not in the studio this week. Look behind me here, walking the Palm Beach Boat Show. I pumped out a ton of content this week for you guys, for the YouTube and Instagram and all that good stuff. So I'm down here checking everything out. We'll see if we can grab some cool footage, some stuff. So that's it. That's this week's Sundays with Sully. It's really nothing. Sorry. I'm gonna go down here, grab a cocktail, hang out at the show, and see what's good for 2021. Check out all the cool stuff like this really sweet CV over here. Plus all the Merc V12s and whatever else news out there. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna get you some footage. Stay tuned, give us a follow. Navtronics, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you know the deal. Give us a follow, check it out. See you next week. Peace.